What happened? Or from Gila? This only half. I hate this, okay? What is this?
I don't know.
You used to put in sambar, right? With whom you are talking?
You buy for me.
Who?
Gina is there.
What happened?
She told me one juice.
Không bao giờ quá.
Yes. Okay, I want apple juice. Pep you.
For her. What?
Oh, apple juice, apple juice. Yeah. For juice, pep you want?
Anything. Same.
Okay,
Apple.
juice.
She's treating or what?
Are you lying or what?
You are breaking us, right?
Okay, fast.
You resigned already.
Yes, you say.
Really? Don't tell lie.
October.
She give resignation.
Yes.
When? Oh my god.
She's going to marry.
Mary.
Yeah. No, October.
Oh my.
Ben, what about you? Where?
I don't know.
Okay, I don't know.
Then what about you? You are more elder than me. You have to think.
Boyfriend. At least you have boyfriend now.
If I have boyfriend also, we are not planning to marry soon. Yeah, after like, I think we have to wait 5 years, 6 years. You want? Oh. We have pickle, right?
They give me all are gone. Not at all.
Useless. Eat chili na. Chili is not spicy.